Washington homeowners know that weather can be unpredictable. From steady rain and damp conditions to chilly winters and occasional windstorms, your doors must stand up to constant exposure. If your current door is showing signs of wear, sticking, leaking, or letting in drafts, it may be time to consider a weather-resistant replacement solution built specifically for Washington conditions. Upgrading your doors isn't just about improving appearance. It's about protecting your home, increasing comfort, and ensuring long-term durability. Built to handle rain and moisture, one of the biggest challenges for Washington homes is persistent moisture. Over time, traditional wood doors can swell, warp, or rot due to repeated exposure to rain and humidity. Modern weather-resistant replacement doors are designed with moisture in mind. Popular materials include fiberglass, which resists warping, and rotting steel with insulated cores, offering durability, and protection composite frames, engineered to withstand damp environments. These materials maintain their structural integrity even in wet conditions, helping your door look and perform like new for years. Advanced weather sealing systems. Even the strongest door won't perform well without proper sealing. Weather-resistant replacement doors include high-performance weather stripping and compression seals that create a tight barrier when the door is closed. These systems help prevent water intrusion during heavy rain, block cold air drafts in winter, keep conditioned air inside your home, reduce energy waste in Washington's damp climate. Proper sealing also protects interior floors and trim from moisture damage. Energy efficiency. For year-round comfort, Washington experiences cool winters and mild summers, making insulation an important factor in door performance. Energy-efficient replacement doors often feature insulated foam cores, double or triple pane glass inserts, low emissivity glass coatings. Low E glass reflects heat back into your home during colder months while minimizing heat gain during warmer periods. This helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce heating costs. A properly insulated door makes entryways more comfortable and eliminates those chilly drafts near the front entrance. Wind resistance and structural strength. Stormy conditions and wind-driven rain are common in many Washington neighborhoods. Weather-resistant doors are built with reinforced frames and heavy-duty hinges to withstand pressure from strong winds. Multi-point locking systems add both security and structural stability by securing the door at multiple points along the frame. This design helps the door remain firmly in place during challenging weather. Durable finishes that withstand the elements. Exterior doors in Washington face constant exposure to moisture and UV rays. Modern replacement doors feature factory-applied finishes that resist fading, peeling, and cracking. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of natural wood while offering superior resistance to weather-related damage. Steel doors come with protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion. These low-maintenance finishes reduce the need for frequent repainting or refinishing. Custom solutions for Washington homes. Every home is different, and weather-resistant door replacement can be customized to match your architectural style. Whether your home features traditional trim, modern lines, or a craftsman-inspired design, replacement doors are available in various styles, colors, and decorative glass options. Professional installation ensures a precise fit within your existing opening. Proper flashing and sealing techniques are essential to maximize weather resistance and long-term durability. Increased property value and peace of mind. Replacing an outdated door with a weather-resistant model enhances curb appeal and increases overall property value. More importantly, it provides peace of mind knowing your home is better protected against Washington's unpredictable weather. Homebuyers also recognize the value of energy-efficient, low-maintenance upgrades, making door replacement a smart long-term investment. Protecting your Washington home. For the long-term, weather-resistant door replacement solutions are designed to handle Washington's rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations. By combining durable materials, advanced sealing systems, and energy-efficient features, modern doors offer reliable protection and improved comfort. If your current door struggles to withstand the elements, upgrading to a weather-resistant replacement is a practical step toward creating a stronger, more efficient home. built to perform in Washington's unique climate year after year.